Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is not gonna be a hair review or anything about makeup or anything like that. This is gonna be a update slash vlog slash rambling type of video because I've been going for a little while off of YouTube and I've been getting bombarded with a lot of questions as to why I've been absent, and I figured the best way to summarize what's been going on is in video form, because clearly individually answering everybody on what's been going on is not gonna suffice for everybody. So first things first, my laptop broke a couple months ago, and on top of that, I was just feeling like not authentic when it comes to like uploading videos. And I had spoken about this like a while ago because I was working with a normal like Windows computer, Windows Movie Maker, which is like the basic stepping stone for like movie editing systems and stuff like that. And I just felt redundant and complacent because of the software I was using and my same old setup. I was getting really bored with my content, and the moment that my laptop broke, I took that as an initiative to launch a hiatus because I had a full-blown reason to do it, because I didn't have anything else to upload any type of content on. So yeah, it was just more so I just needed a break to center myself, so that I can create the best content that I can. Because when I feel stressed or when I feel forced, it shows a lot in videos, and I'm just at the point now where I just want to only put out what I feel is 100% optimal for me. And I feel like I've always said that, but I kind of got lost in the sauce. So that's one of the biggest things, one of the biggest reasons why I've been absent off of YouTube. Broken laptop, and just needed to recharge, to refresh myself, because there is I think everybody needs to understand that it is mandatory to detox, to step aside or step away from certain social sites, because they can and they will drain you dry if you overexert yourself in them, and stuff like that. So that's one that's one thing. Yeah, I feel like that was just the biggest thing, I just wasn't really feeling anything. I was just feeling uninspired. I didn't feel like talk to a camera. I realized that lately I haven't really been doing a lot of like makeup looks because I haven't been recording videos. And yeah, it's just been a lot of self-reflecting and just a lot of time off of YouTube. But I realized that doing videos like these, like occasional vlogs, are going to be a new staple on my channel. And actually I think I'm going to create a separate channel for vlogs, because you guys don't know, I just don't want it to interfere with the business aspect of what I do, because I'm just a very strongly opinionated person, and I just feel like giving people the option to be able to see that type of content is what I want to offer, so I don't want people bombarding me saying, oh well, you used to post this and that, and I subscribe for this, not this, all that other bullshit. So I'm probably going to create a separate vlog channel. But I realized that was a huge barrier. I feel like that's a barrier right now between me and reaching 100,000 subscribers. It's not doing vlogs to make myself more relatable for my audience. And I don't do that on purpose, but I realized that I've been adopting the mentality of a private life is a happy life. I do share stuff about my life, but I feel like it's just based off of my own past experiences, letting people in too much, and then I end up regretting it later on along the line. But I realized I do have the power to control what I let people see and stuff like that. It's just the serenity in knowing that nobody knows what's going on in your life is like priceless, because I don't like advice or unwarranted opinions from strangers about my life and the decisions I make in my life. So that's just something I've had to gear myself up for in preparation for wanting to do vlogs, because I know that it's gonna come inevitably. But at the end of the day, I have had a pretty stable supporter base since I started YouTube, which was like my 10th grade year. I was, what, 16? Yeah, I was 16. I'm about to be 23. So it's been a long time, and I feel like a lot of people, when I do share like kind of personal stuff on my Instagram, I'm gonna leave that in the description box below. People tell me that they relate to me a lot, and they like when I share, you know, personal topics that people can kind of vouch for, or, you know, kind of piggyback off of, to make me seem like less of a influencer and more like, you know, a best friend or somebody that you can just confide in and stuff like that. So that's another reason why I feel like I've been stagnant on YouTube as well, is because of my engagement. So when I first started YouTube, I did start with natural hair videos and stuff like that, but as I got older and I started expanding my interests, it branched off into weave reviews and then makeup, and, you know, I still do my natural hair videos here and there, but I've also come to my natural hair journey where I realized that protective styles are my new niche, because I just want to protect and grow my natural hair out to my my full-blown goal. So weave videos have pretty much taken over a lot of my channel, and I realized that my engagement on my videos is just, I don't know, it's just piss poor to me to have like 64,000 subscribers. So I know that YouTube had a whole algorithm change like back in 2016 and stuff like that, but I was just questioning like the consistency of the subscribers that I do have, because it's just, you see the jump in views when it comes to certain topics and videos. Regardless, my channel is what it is. I'm not going to try to change what I want to put out to, you know, be a people pleaser, because at the end of the day, my natural hair, it stays braided up until I see the time to take it out, or I'm really in the mood to make a video for it. Other than that, it's protected, it's growing, and I just want it to stay out of the way. So yeah, that's circling back around. That's another reason why I said that vlogs are probably going to be my new staple, which is probably going to bring me a whole new audience of people, because it's a lot of stuff that you know, people have been wanting me to vlog about. I've been on my Instagram talking about astrology. I've been really like studying hard into it this year, and it's not just your sun sign. You know, you got 12 different bodies: the sun, moon, Mercury, Mars, Venus, all types of stuff like that. That's gonna be a completely separate video. I have to really buckle down and write stuff out, because if not, I'll have like 60 different topics in one video regarding astrology. A lot of people want me to talk about spirituality, because I have embarked on a spiritual journey over the past 2 years that I kind of talk about on my Instagram page, and a lot of people like, you know, the little things that I do talk about, so people want videos on that. But like I said, everything is probably just gonna have to be like topic related videos, and I would like for you guys in the comments below to drop vlog titles or topics that you guys would like for me to talk about, because like I said, this is just a new avenue for my YouTube that I'm taking right now, because I love my weave, I love my makeup, I love, you know, all of my aesthetics, but I also am very more cognizant of the fact that people want to know more about the people that they're watching. You know, it's cool watching somebody do this and that, but what about the person as a whole and what they have to offer and their mindset and stuff like that. So I just want to give you guys a slight glimpse on that. But before I even, you know, start creating videos, I wanted to make this one to kind of just reintroduce myself to you guys, because I've been going for a little minute. A lot of people have asked me, are you quitting YouTube? It's like, no, I'm not quitting YouTube. It's just I don't have a laptop right now, and I'm enjoying it because I don't really want to force myself to do anything. So yeah guys, that's pretty much what's been going on. Like I said before, in the comments below, leave topics for vlogs that you guys would like for me to talk about: spirituality, astrology. Kind of pinpoint more on those topics. Don't make it so broad, because it's a lot to fucking talk about on both of those topics alone. So just give me some narrow topics, kind of specific topics that you guys would like for me to talk about. I'll take them into consideration, and likely you guys will see me post videos with the topics that you guys have offered. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you've been rocking with me for a long time, I do appreciate you guys. I love and respect all of the support that you guys have given me over the years, and I want to thank you guys for rocking with me in my absence. So with further ado, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.